Shalom, we are happy to have you here again in ESHET EILON. Like many of our clients in the world that coming back to us. Here we are again with a few more projects here in our production floor. Right now we have projects that are going to Indonesia, Philippines, Kenya, and also for Israel, of course. And all of them are come here for a reason, because they know that they can get best quality, best innovations and best solutions over here. We opened in the last couple of years new markets such as Indonesia with a first-of-a-kind solution for coconuts. We have another line right now for Indonesia for fresh pineapple, and as well as solutions for avocados and for stone fruits and for other products as well. We have here a machine that we build for clients that this is the fifth machine that they're buying for us, and they're buying it from us because they cannot get any similar quality anyplace else in the world. So in spite of any other issue, they know that they get the best solution and the best quality over here. Along with it, we keep going with the new innovations, solutions for sanitations, advanced sanitations, solutions for chick sorting. This is one of our newest development, first of a kind in the world, and some more ideas that are coming on the way. So everybody is welcome to us, to contact us in order to get our idea and our innovations and to solve problems for any products, any place in the world.